these dirty and rather squashed air filter elements. Screw here to lock into the top of the carb, I believe. Okay, that's on. Finish off by hand. Right, that needs tightening up. Taking the sleeve off. 4mm hex Allen key on the bottom. I mean, that's my spanner end has been cut down. That's because it's a special tool I made to get the sump off the Alpha 164. If I look inside, it's actually just a nut to hold on the Scorpion. I'm going to pop that back on for a moment. Same process. Hopefully now these will spin around. This one is slightly less squashed down. There you go. Just lift off. I'll take the sleeve off. I want something longer, slightly longer. This is actually a stainless steel M8 tube. Doesn't need to be neat and tidy, just to do the job. Good. You can see it's quite significantly squished. Is it down enough? You know, I think it would be perfect. It just hadn't been squished. So that is there. If I come back in and have a brain fade moment, it'll remind me not to start the engine. This is air filter cleaner. Can't see much coming off. There you can. WD-40. Spray more and then we'll do it from inside to out. Okay, there's definitely dirt coming off that. It's relatively cheap compared to official air filters cleaner. As you can see, there's a fair bit of debris and sediment in there. Also, there's loads soaked up by tissues as well. I mean, that is quite bad there. I'm going to show you how I was straightening it. Basically work my way around, just with fingers. Let's try and... because remember, these all work as a collective, because they're all not together. So, let's go around stage by stage. You can see I'm just trying to use my fingers to straighten that a bit. And the next one. And the next one. So then I can add the twist as well. So twist like that. Be patient. Spend about 15 minutes going all the way around. Don't forget to go to the inside. It's still not perfect, but it's better than it was. I'll go around again. Got this part to do next. I'm going to go back to the outside. And you hold up to the light. To the light. Again, definitely not perfect, but significantly better than it was. This nut, only on the nylon part, is a nylock nut, which means it risks coming loose, which means it risks dropping into the carburetor. Another change of plan, because I went to M6, I have M6 tap, which is tricky to film because the arms are quite long. I'm going to wind that through. Right, I'll now cut this thread in here. So I'm just going to drill through this, enlarge it to 6mm. I'm drilling faster than normal for metal because I don't want it to bite. So this will now get through. Fine. Nothing to possibly drop into the carb. Fantastic. Drop inside. Both done. 2 Scorpio heads to go back on. Cleaned air filters. Improved tops. And tape to take off. We'll take off one at a time. I am using these longer this leaves 4 brand new yellow zinc pacified nylock nuts. Let's put in here. Because he's deformed a bit. Let's tuck them in first. There you go. It's deformed. When I say a bit, I mean actually quite a lot. It does. So that's down. I actually didn't have any washers for this. This one as well. It will function. Drop that down so it kisses the bottom. 2 improved, cleaner, less squished air filters. The next step will be the fuel pressure. I know that's very low. When I take this off, we can adjust it. And then tomorrow, we can go for a spin. Not forgetting to remove, reminder, how are you going to phrase it?